Hi, friends. So, we've been learning about dinosaurs. And it's thought that dinosaurs, we know they lived a long, long time ago, but it's thought that they lived during a time when there were a lot of volcanoes erupting. So, I just shared with you what it looks like when a volcano erupts. So I thought we could make our very own volcano today and have it erupt. Would that be fun? Yeah. So I decided to come outside because, an erupting volcano might get a little messy. Plus, it's a beautiful day outside. As you can tell, there's lots of noises going on, lots of things around. So I have a teeny tiny, well, kind of a small Gatorade bottle. And I am going to use this to make my volcano. And I also made some Play Doh. Now, you guys, I will send a recipe to your parents so you can make Play Doh if you would like. But we're going to make our volcano out of this Play Doh. And I kind of made it an orangey color because I thought that's kind of like lava. Lava is the fire that comes out of a volcano. So I thought if this volcano had lava coming out of it, it might be kind of an orangey color. Do you know what colors I had to mix together to make this orangey color? I had to mix two colors together. I mixed red and yellow together, and that made kind of this orangey peach sort of color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this all around my bottle, and I'm going to try to make it in kind of a triangle, a little bit of a triangle, because that's what volcanoes look like. So since this is a lot of Play-Doh at one time, I'm mushing it down, trying to make it a little flatter, and then I'm gonna put it around my bottle and mush it around there, trying to make it a little bit of a triangular shape. So I'm probably gonna need a lot more at the bottom than at the top. So when you guys get your Play-Doh, you gotta mush it like a pancake. We're not gonna roll it like a snake this time. We're mushing it like a pancake. Here, you can see me mushing a little bit more. Yeah. Try to get it where you can see everything that's going on at one time. All right, and I'm going to put it with my other Play-Doh. Oh, yeah, we're going to have plenty of Play-Doh. Plus, this could be a little bit of a taller volcano. You guys might have a shorter cup. You could use a little cup, or you could use, if you've got a smaller bottle even, a smaller bottle than this might be a little water bottle. So I'm mushing it like a pancake again. Okay, and I need to add a little bit more over here, making my volcano. Let's see, it's almost, yeah, it's pretty much covered up. I might need a little bit right there. Notice how I tried to make it, it's kind of a tall, thin triangle sort of a shape. Yeah, if I just mush a little bit more right around, I do not even need any more Play-Doh, so that's perfect. Okay, now, what we're gonna do is we can make a reaction happen, kind of a bubbling, gonna explode over reaction. And I'm gonna use two things that I bet you have at your house. I'm going to use something called baking soda. And I'm going to put several spoonfuls in here because I really I need a big reaction, because even though this bottle is kind of small for a Gatorade bottle, it's kind of tall. So my reaction's going to have a long way that it needs to come up. So I'm going to put several spoonfuls in. This will be, were you guys counting? That was 1, 2, 3. Oh, here's 4. Might be too big of a reaction. If it's too big, I'll move my computer really quick. And 5. I think 5 maybe is enough. We'll see. All right. Now take whatever kind of vinegar you have at your house. I had little bits right around there. I just had apple cider vinegar. There are so many different kinds of vinegar. At school, we usually use just white vinegar. All right. Are you guys ready? Let's give it a count, okay? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna move my Play-Doh over there and that right there. So all I have to think about moving is my computer if it's a big, big, big reaction. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that eruption! That was awesome! We got to see the volcano explode. All right, I am going to move my computer because I don't want the vinegar to get on my computer. All right, friends, so I can't wait to see your volcanoes. All right, let's go make our volcanoes and have some explosion. See you later. Bye-bye.